At this wash, you tried Kong, the king of Presoaks.
You know, when Kevin first came and talked to me and you know, possibility of that Kong to save us cost per car, I told him, I said, well, you know, if you're talking a penny or two, money's money, and that's great.
Yep.
If you start talking 5, 7, 10 cents, you got my attention. We far exceeded that, and we doubled that. Our last titration we were at 19 cents savings per car. With that kind of savings, you had my full undivided attention.
You have 3 identical bays. Also, check your water regularly. You check your titration regularly.
Yes.
Most owners don't do that. You do, and that's really important.
Well, it's important just to know where you're at with your chemicals and your usage and stuff.
Yep.
I mean, we're making sure we have soft water here. Our chemicals are heated. We're putting out a good quality water for the chemical to work properly.
You're putting out a great car.
Yeah, it's coming out really good. Yeah, really well. The cost savings for the product compared to the other Presoaks we were using before, we're getting a cleaner car with it. But also the big thing is the huge savings. The cost saving is substantial. Yeah, you just don't have to keep that much in stock. You don't have to go check your inventory as often. Great people to work with and very responsive, and I couldn't be happier with them. They do everything they say they're going to do, and usually more than that. So, great company to be with.